Today we'll be reviewing and testing out this 1500 watt motor by JauoPay and this 48 volt 25 amp battery by BtrPower. So let's get riding. So this motor comes with a nice little display and this hand throttle and a power on button, and you can change some modes to that. The controller is actually built into the motor, so you don't have to mount it separately. The motor does also come with a pedal assisting where you can stick it on here and pedal and it will get it going instead of having to use the throttle, but I just prefer to use the throttle. So this battery is a 48 volt 25 amp battery. It has around 35 miles of range just on like a flat surface. It depends on whether you're going up or down a lot. So right here you just hold this button down to power this thing on. And right here is your kilometers per hour, your speed, or your miles per hour. I'm pretty sure you can change that. And right here is how many watts you're using. And right here is your mode. You just hit this button right here. And you can change your modes. And then right up here is your battery indicator. And that just shows how full or empty you are. And then right here is your odometer reading. And you can just change it by hitting this mode button. And it'll show your trip, how long you've gone since you turned this thing on. I just want to give a shout out to JauoPay for sending me the motor and letting me use it, and also to BtrPower for letting me use their battery. So thanks. So I took this bike and I've just been riding it around on some mountain trails and on roads like this. It's been handling great. It handled actually pretty good on some trails in the mountains where it's really rough ground and pretty steep terrain. And it's been handling great. I would recommend driving it on roads like this. You can go much faster and it's more enjoyable. But yeah, anyways, it's really fun. And I'll show you some footage of it coming up. Here we go.